Let's continue our talk about the templates. So here I had, like, in the hello.html, I had extended the base.html template, and then in the content block we have done this welcome with the adjectives and everything. So this hello.html comes with this hello with parameter here, and then this hello with parameter view corresponds to this to this URL hello slash some variable. So let's see how that will look in our when we run our website. So as usual, Python manage.py run server. Thank you. All right, and here is the server. So if I do the slash hello, I will get slash hello slash let's say something playful. All right, so here it is. So with we have kept the like navigation bar and this like container here with the gray color. So we have kept like how the base of the HTML looks like, but this is the block content here with the stuff from the hello simple, or the simple hello.html. So that's very good. So we extended like from here, and then we had like changed the block, this block, the content block here. So this is the content block here that was empty, so we have like filled it with what we want. Now we can do the same thing with the hello simple. So if I was to do here hello alone, it will be like this because we have not fixed it yet. So let's go here and like in hello simple we'll do the same thing. So I just like copy these two lines, and here they go from here. All right, and then this I would not need this. I will need here an and block, and block, and then let me fix the indent here. So too much. Okay, well, if it's gonna be like that, be it. All right, so let's see what that will give now. There you go. So when I have reload the page, it's looking like this. So that's pretty fine. That's what I need. So now we will fix a little our base.html with some stuff. So let's add some links in the navigation bar. So here we have the holy movies. It takes you to the href slash. So it takes you to the beginning of the to the root of your website. So let's see what it does. So if I click here, this hello will disappear. So yeah, it takes me to the root of my website, and then I can add, like, here I have home. It's taking me to the same place. So I will add that hello page. So Control C, and so here I will add a hello, and the hello takes me to href. Here, instead of doing this, we will use the this URL notation. So this what it does is when you this is like a Django template language. So when you do URL like this, and then you say the name of the URL. So in this case, I want this hello with parameter. So I'm gonna take this one. Actually, which one should we take? Yeah, let's take hello with parameter. Why not? So I will take this one, hello with parameter, and push in the base.html like this. So I think it will work. And then I need to give it the like the parameter s. So what's it gonna be? Let's say fluffy. I don't know, fluffy maybe. Okay, like fluffy word. So let's see how this will look like when I run it. So reload this. So now we have a hello, and when I click, oh, it's actually working, and there is a fluffy word. So that is working. So here for the second parameter, the one that is like in the encode, that normally I could like encode something here. So encode s1 equals, I don't know, sad. So here it is. I could just like change it here and put like after this. So this URL here will be like this notation will be like translated to a URL. Let me show you in here. So when I click on it, you can see in the, just like look at this part here in the bottom left of the screen. So when I put my mouse on the hello, it shows you to what is the link where it will go. So if I add now this after all of this here, I would say s1 equals sad. Okay, so let's see what this does. If I was to reload this page now, what would be the link you see? And then you have here in the bottom right, you will see the link that we go to. So, and like interrogation point s1 equals sad. So if I click on it, you see it now changes here, and I have the word sad here. So this is how it works. Let's add some more stuff to this base.html. I'm gonna add another one. I think it's gonna be useful. So we will add the administration panel, admin panel, and here I will, instead of all this mess, we will just have a /admin. So let's see what this will give, and reload. And now I have an administration panel. If I click on it, I'm in the administration. So this is good. Now I can come here. So now I want this holy movies and this home, instead of bringing me to an empty this, I want to show the movies I have in my database. For that we will come here. So in the views, oh, what did I do? Okay, I will close the base.html right now. I don't need to modify it. I can close this hello. So in the index.html, or let's call it just like to be consistent with the course, we'll call it movies. So movies, and here I would say we'll rename it. So refactor, where is it? Here, rename to movies. Okay, very good. So here in the views.html, here instead of base.html I will put like movies.html. Alright, so we know that this movies.html, it extends from base.html. I don't need this stuff. And here we would define like the block content. What do we have in it? Block content, and like this, and then block, and inside our block, let's see what we will have. So inside our block we will have some work, and in the URL, let's see, the URL.py, if you put an empty string after the root of the site, we will call the method the view movies, and here I would put movies. So now all we need is to define what is in the views movies. So here I need some to do some work on this view. Let's see. So which is here? Okay. So movies, or my movies, let's call it my movies, equals I will so I want to get all the movies from the database. To do that, I will work with the from dot models. So from the file models that is in the same folder as views, so this file here, import movies, or movie, okay, and then here I will do what we did with the ORM, with the object relational mapper. So we say movie dot objects dot all. Okay, now I have all the, so my movies are all the movies. And then here in the request.html, let's do this the right way. Oh no. So to do this the right way, we need to maybe do this. Okay, this looks better. And here after template Okay, and here I will add another parameter. So context equal to, I will send the dictionary, so with movies. Yes, and this is the key, and the value is my movies, so my variable my movies that contains all the movies from the database put in a list. All right, so now I want to show them here. So to do that, we can just like get inspired from the code we have in the course. So h1 says welcome to Holy Movies. All right, and then here I would put an UL, an non-ordered list, so UL. All right, and inside this UL I would put a for loop for movie in movies. So movies are the variable I have sent from the views.py, this one. Okay, and let me close this this squiggly bracket, and then and for in the end of the for, and for. Okay, so so far so good. So here in this for, what do I need? I need to define an LE, which is a list. All right, and an element of the list, not a list, an element of the list. And what's gonna be an element of the list? It's going to be movie dot title. Yes, so this is like the variable movie we have. We take the title, and then I can just add here like the year between brackets. So movie dot released, because we know that the model has a released like field. And then let me close the bracket, and then we put the yeah, we can put the genre, why not? So movie dot genre dot name. Okay, and yeah, that's good. So what do we have here? The views in the models. What are the models? So this is the models here. The model movie, it has a like a title, it has a released year, and then it has a genre. And yeah, so here for example, released, I will put like not released but released dot year, so I only get the year. I don't want all the other stuff. And then here the genre, when I put movie dot genre, I want, oh my god, I want to take the genre name. So I come here and I take the genre name. So that's what we have here. Let me recapitulate. So URL, when I call this URL, I call the view movies, and in the view movies I go to the model movie, I take all the objects, and then I send it to the template movies.html, and the movies.html template I iterate through it to create a list, and in that list for each element in that movies like list we have, we take the title and the release.year and the genre.name. So, and then we show them what's this gonna give in the result. So let's see. If I click here, I have a problem. So let me try to see what's happening. So movies.html does not exist because I have deleted it. That looks weird. No, I didn't delete it. I just need to come here and say, because movies.html is inside viewer, inside this, in the folder viewer. So I have to put here viewer / movies.html, and let's see what happens now. Oh yeah, we have problems. Okay, what's going on? So could not parse the. All right, there is something in here. Yep, I'm missing one squiggly bracket. Okay, third time is the charm. Yes, third time is the charm. So I have like Die Hard 1995 action. So let's go and add some movie or two in the administration panel. Okay, and here I will come to movies, and let's add a movie. So I don't know, Fright Night. Again, no, let's be more creative. Titanic. genre action, drama maybe. We can add a new genre, so let's add a new genre here, drama. And rating, I never liked that movie too much, so the date, let's take some date, 1999, I'm not sure which month, and then here a boat hits an iceberg. Alright, okay, I'm not sure if an iceberg is one word or two words, so let's just put it like that. Command save. Okay, let's add another movie, Fight Club, and then genre action, rating 8, release, I think that was also released in 1999. Description, you do not talk about it. You do not talk about it. Okay, and save. So now if I go to home, and maybe I can log out from here, go to the website. So to build the website, just remove all of this. So here you go, my movies are here. So home, hello sends me here, and home, or this button, sends me here. Okay, so this is how templates work. I just want to explain one more thing before we go any further. So Slack, and what I will explain now is like the core of Django, how it works. So it's like I have this picture somewhere in my computer. It's gonna take some time to find SDA. I hope I will find it. Yeah, this is the, so this picture here, it is in French, but you don't have to worry about that. So model is model, template, and view, V is view. So when you are working with this Django website, you send a URL here to the controller, you send a URL to your website, and then the URL, what it does, it goes and it finds the view, like the corresponding view, and that corresponding view finds the corresponding template and finds the model. The model is like the database, so it goes to the database, takes the information from the database, it renders it inside the template, and then it sends it back to the user who asked for it. So the user puts a URL, like the user of the website, the client puts a URL. That URL, like we can, from it we get the Django gets a view. That view, in that view we get like information from the database, from the models, and we get a template in which we render those information inside the template, and we send it back to the like client, or the guy who, like whoever is visiting the website. So this is like the idea of Django, and this is what we are doing here, for example. So when you come here and you like go to the website like that, you just like write the website like root path without adding anything. So here in the urls.py we say, okay, if you have nothing, you please call the movies like view. So we come here to views.py, movies view. In the movies view, what do we need? We need like the movie like table from the database, or the movie model from the file models, and then .objects.all. So we go to the database, we take all the objects in that table movie, and then we render it. So we send this like movie, like the information we got, we send it to a template. Which template? Movies.html. So in this movies.html here, we use those what we have sent. So that movies like variable we sent to it, and then we loop. In this case we have made a loop with it, and then we used it to like show the information about the movies. So this is like the logic of Django. Model, they call it a MVT, model view template. Model is like the database, view is those functions here that like you access from the URL paths, and the template is like the HTML files that you send back to the client, or to whoever is visiting the website. So that's all about the templates in this tutorial. I hope it gives you enough idea, and then there will be more coming with yeah, with views and forms and authentication. Anyway, there's a lot more coming, but at least we have this part so far. Thank you and good luck.